Kids, in today's video we're going to do minus 6 big friends formula. Where do I apply minus 6 big friends formula? Where I get stuck in doing minus 6. Okay, what is the formula? Minus 10 plus 4. Okay, I have 12 with me. I have to do minus 6, right? Okay, let's not take 12, let's take 10. Okay, I have to do minus 6. Okay, we can do with 12 also, but that is whole another concept that I am going to explain you in coming videos. Okay, 10. I have to do minus 6, I know, minus 10 plus 4. Okay, now let's do a bigger complicated one. At 7, minus 3. Minus 3, small friends, I can do small friends. See, how do we know when to do small friends, big friends? Formulas. Remember the formulas, because when the number will be in front of you, you can recall their formulas and think which formula can I apply. Very easy. First of all, you will go for small friends only. For where whichever numbers have small friends, for them you will go for small friends only. If you see you can't do small friends, then you do big friends. Here I know the minus 3 formula. One is minus 5 plus 2, other is minus 10 plus 7, right? So if minus 5 plus 2 is doable, only do that. No need to think for minus 7 for minus 3 is big friends formula. Yeah, I'll do minus 3 minus 5 plus 2. Okay, now at 8, big friends only, 8 has only big friends. At 10, minus 2. Now minus 3. I am explaining you all other formulas also in the video, okay? Along with the minus 6 is one and the other small friends also. Minus 3. Two formulas, minus 5 plus 2 small friends. Okay, I can't do that. Now we will do big friends. Minus 10 plus 7. Getting? Now add a 6. Big friends only. Now minus a 6. The session about minus 6 is this one. Minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. Clear? Again, I am telling you, I am explaining in some videos the bigger complicated one, and in some videos I am not explaining, so that you do it yourself. You tell me yourself. What formula did I apply? Okay. Okay. Now we will do an easier one. Okay. At 7, at 2, minus 6, at 10, minus 2, minus 1, minus 6, minus 10 plus. Clear? Okay. I'll see you in the next video now. Do tell me in the comment section if you have any doubts. Okay. See you. Bye bye.